Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the claims that is going around social media a lot in the past few days is the fact that somebody claimed that Microsoft is scooping data from your Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on to train its online AI. Now, Microsoft came back and said, nope, and that's not true. We are not looking at any of your documents and the things you do on Microsoft Office, and that it is untrue, that your privacy is kept on all of these apps. And, that would be a big problem if they would, because enterprise would not like Microsoft to look at anything that they do, probably, and no users for the most part. So, where does this come from? This comes from the fact, so if you look at your Microsoft Office and go into your account, you'll notice that one of the things that you'll see here is there's an account privacy tab. And the account privacy tab, there's, of course, the data, the required diagnostics data, and optional data for the purpose of checking out the behavior of the apps and if they crash or if you have issues. And of course, you can send additional diagnostics. You cannot remove the required one, though. But the real problem comes from the connected experiences. This is where that comes from, because people have seen experiences that analyze your content. So it says some connected experiences in Office will use your content to help you create, communicate, collaborate. And what they are doing is not scooping all your data. It's what they're doing is analyzing what you're doing and trying to use this experience to suggest corrections, for example. Maybe they'll tell you, well, this phrase is not worded right. Maybe this is the way you should write it. And it will also offer you content depending on what you want. Maybe you're trying to do a PowerPoint and need content. Well, there's all sorts of things, and it all has to do with this. Analyzing what you do to try to help you, a little bit like Clippy did, but in a good way and trying to do it right. So if that is something that scares you, if it's something that bothers you, that you just don't want to have connected experiences and having, analyzing of content or experiences that download online content to help you out, you can remove the check marks for all of that. As you see here, each have check marks that turn on these features. So this will be something you can actually remove. So you can remove the check mark, turn on all the connected experiences to remove the check mark, and that removes all of the content and the experience, connected experience content in the Microsoft Office apps. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.